What's up guys, today's video is on the best generator cords. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Champion Power Extension Cord. You've likely looked at several extensions cords available particularly for generators. The Champion Electrical Equipment Extension Cord 48034 was designed with all the required elements for longevity and safety. It's a 125V and 30 amp extension cord that is able to connect 5 Lira 30R outlets and common household outlets ranging from 5 to 15R. No matter what you need to do to protect important items in emergencies or need to power your equipment in remote areas, this 25-foot extension cord lets you extend your reach to all places and eliminates any kind of limitation when you need to. It is constructed with a fan-like arrangement that allows for greater access to the generator. The extension cable is a great option for those who need to use power quickly. The high-capacity 10-gauge wire is protected by solid and long-lasting insulation. It has resistance to extreme cold and heat by the use of thermoplastic jacket. But you can be sure that it functions in a manner that is flexible and effective, regardless of outside temperature. The extension cord is appropriately rated to be able to expand to 30 amps and be utilized with the 125 volts. The length of the cord allows users to travel over safe distances and shields your ears from the noise generated by the generator. Furthermore, the 1 year of warranty offered by the manufacturer as well as unlimited technical support for a lifetime provides additional assurance of peace of mind. Number 2. RVGUARD Extension Cord. It is essential to consider quality when you are choosing an extension cord to use within generator. Not only does it guarantee your safety and that of those near you, but also ensures that all other electronic devices in good condition. It is the RVGUARD generator cord has been specially made to meet your needs. It's a 25-foot extension cord that fits easily and can convert 5 Lira 30P male end to 5 Lira 30R female end. This extension cord can help you avoid emergency power failures. It features the 30A locking mechanism that is built into the extension cord. It has 3-prong female outlets and 3 male outlets that meet the electrical needs effortlessly. In addition, a cord organizer and a simple strap handle allow you to easily organize the power cord when organizing it. In keeping with the requirement for high-quality materials, it was designed with PVC sleeves that increase the resistance to heat and cold. It's highly flexible, allowing users to use the cord even in the most extreme conditions. The durable PVC has been resupplied with copper-free wiring to guarantee the highest quality electrical transfer from one device to other devices. The thermoplastic weather-resistant SJTW jacket of this wire is a perfect option for a variety of uses. It is able to work well and give oil, moisture and abrasion resistance under every weather condition. If you want to connect to the generator and transfer panels and transfer switches, or even the power box outside or inside, the cord of this generator is an ideal choice for your needs. The cord also features the twist lock that will prevent sliding out. Number 3. RVMATE Extension Cord. If you're in the market for a trusted extension cord for your generator, there are plenty. But it can be difficult to determine the claims of the manufacturer are genuine. But the RVMATE extension cord for generators is a product you can trust. It's an extension cord for welding that is able to meet your tough demands. The generator's 100-foot extension cord is designed to help you utilize generators from any location. It is made for external use. It is capable of converting 14 Lira 30P 30R. Also, 10-gauge offers you the security and the thickness of the cord. It has an adapter that comes with STW jacketing, which ensures protection against moisture and water. It also increases its flexibility and stops aberration. The 100% copper in this extension cord is guaranteed to provide the smooth flow of electricity. It's PVC coated, making certain to resist flames, heat, and water. It's definitely a pliable option. The sophisticated construction and the use of twist lock plugs ensures that the wire won't be able to fall when it is utilized. It's great for outdoor use and therefore, you can utilize it when camping, on the road and in the harshest weather conditions, and also in building. The manufacturer also provides everything you need to operate an extension cord. The cord comes with an organizer bag that can help you organize the cord and ensure it is kept clean effortlessly. It weighs only 18 pounds, which makes it a great choice to carry around. Number 4. Yodotek extension cord. It isn't an easy task for consumers because of the numerous assertions offered by the manufacturers. However, certain features guarantee the high quality of generators. Similar to this, Yodotek heavy-duty generator makes sure that you have everything you require. The 4-prong design that has 10 gauge ensures flexibility in use. The cord is developed to work in panels as much as 30 AA NEMA 14 Lira 30 P45 to 20 R cord, needs 30 electricity. It's specifically designed to work with walls of 125/250ths with 7500 watts. This cord with a heavy-duty construction comes with a large gauge. It is made from pure copper and will prevent the cable from becoming overheated when used for a long time. The longer wiring is designed to give you peace of mind and guarantee security when running heavier load. This cable generator that is heavy-duty can be an excellent option for both outdoor and indoor conditions. No matter the weather and time of year, it is possible to utilize this extension cord with no consideration of the condition. It is made of high-quality PVC, gives you a great resistance to heat. Pure copper makes sure that the cable doesn't get overheated while running longer. The plugs are designed with an unlocking structure to ensure that they don't happen to fall out while using it. The only thing you have to do is connect the plug and be sure that it will not be able to fall out. Whatever the weather, such as storms, rain or wind, the high-end extension cord will stay in the right place. Furthermore, the 1 year of warranty and 3 years of customer support offered by the manufacturer provides assurance of security. Number 5. GearIT extension cord. If you're looking for a robust extension cord specifically for your need, you'll require some study. But you can finish your search, since the GearIT generator extension cable could be a fantastic option. It's a powerful generator cord specifically designed with 4 prongs and 30 amps. It's designed to be connected to portable generators that have an automatic transfer switch to supply power to your RV, camp or home. The extension cord needs a certain plug. It is equipped with 2 NEMA connectors 14 Lira 30 P30R. Furthermore, the locking system in the connector is designed to stop any abrupt disconnect. It's bright green to ensure that you can locate the extension cord as well as the dark surfaces. It will prevent slips and falling when moving. It is specially made to function in a variety of weather conditions. The power cord is able to be used with ease in a range of different weather situations. It can withstand long exposure to temperature, rain as well as sun. Furthermore, you can be sure that it will not overheat when operating for a prolonged period of time, even at temperatures as low as 40 degrees Celsius. Additionally, the usage of premium materials for this cord guarantees the illumination of your home under any weather. This cord will keep your home safe by using a twist lock. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.